Hello all, welcome to the channel. This is Astha. I am an HR by profession and we're going to share some really important tips and steps how you need to frame your answer. Tell me about yourself. The most important and the most tricky question of any interview. Believe me guys, if you're a fresher and you're going to attend any MNC interview like Accenture, Wipro, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Capgemini, any company, this video will going to help you to frame your answer, how you need to answer, tell me about yourself. And if you're a fresher, believe me, you will going to crack your interview if you're able to attend this question perfectly. So first we'll understand why do interviewers ask tell me something about yourself. They have your resume, they know everything mentioned in your resume. Even then they ask you this question. Then we'll discuss about some really important factors that you need to consider when answering this question. All those points that are really important to mention in your answer. Then we'll see some samples for freshers and I'm telling you guys this will really help you out. So please do watch the video till the end. When you answer this question perfectly, your answer allows the interviewer to get to know you better about your educational skills. It gives them a quicker insight into your educational skills, your skill set, and the highlights of your achievements. This will help them to decide whether you are perfect choice for their role or not. While you answer this question perfectly, they'll check your confidence level, your communication skills, and they will able to understand what they need to ask you next. They just wanted to know guys what is more important about you and which skill sets you are having that are relevant to their job. All those points that you need to mention in your answer, so guys, that you need to do the research about the company. Okay, then only you can frame your answer. You need to read the job description twice and you need to check whether you have the same common skill set or not. Whatever is the requirement in the job description, if you are having those skill sets, you need to highlight all those things in your answer. Introduction answer should be brief and precise. You don't have to stretch your answer too much. Try to finish your answer within 2 minutes. Okay, you need to mention all the relevant skills guys. Do not mention any unnecessary stuff in your introduction answer because you have so many important things to share with your interviewer. Okay, so now we'll see how you need to frame your answer. First step is you need to share your full name and your education. When you're sharing your full name, it looks more professional guys. So if you want to share your name, you need to share full name like I am Rahul Sharma. Okay, then you need to mention your educational details. I am a hardworking engineering graduate specialized in computer science or electronics or mechanical or XYZ stream. So you need to mention your highest degree. Like if you have completed your MTech, you need to mention accordingly, or whatever highest degree you have completed, you need to mention that. You need to mention your specialization, in which branch you have completed your graduation, then your percentage, your CGPA. That is completely optional guys, depends on you. If you want to highlight your CGPA, if you're really having good CGPA to show that thing to your interviewer, you can include, otherwise that's not mandatory. No need to include your CGPA if they are average. Okay, if they are really up to the mark, if they're outstanding CGPA you are having and you want to highlight that thing, then you can add here. You can add your college name as well, from which college you have completed your graduation. Next part is your skills, your achievements, your projects, your certification courses that are relevant and beneficial to the industry. Really important guys, and here you need to be very careful also. You need to mention only those skills, only those projects in which you are really good, because the next question that interviewer will going to do is based on these skills only, your achievements, your projects, your certification courses. If you are mentioning anything here, you should have proper knowledge about that. Okay, you don't have to include anything just to impress the interviewer. You need to mention only those things in which you really have good knowledge. Okay, for example, if I have done a good certification course from a Coursera or any other platform based on Java, so I'm going to specify that thing, I'm going to mention that thing, and the interviewer will going to ask me the next question based on that particular certificate course for sure. Okay, to check my knowledge also. For example, if you are talking about any software engineering role, if you are going for interview with a Accenture company, with a Infosys company, Tech Mahindra company, any Capgemini, Cognizant guys, they're going to check whether you are having the skill set or not. They are expecting you to have good knowledge in any one programming language. So you need to mention that thing here, that yes, I am very good at Java, I am very good at .NET or Python. Okay, I have done the certification courses from this platform, or else I have done this project. So you have have to mention all those, but be specific here. According to the job role, you need to mention all these skills, guys. Please do read out the job description twice. If they are looking for any candidate who is good in Java, so you need to highlight, try to mention that thing here, that you are good at Java. If you are, okay, you need to be loyal here, because they're going to check your knowledge also here. They're going to question you next. So here in the introduction answer, whatever skills you are mentioning, be careful about that. You need to be very careful. You need to have all the knowledge related to that, because the next question that the interviewer will going to do is based on your answer, introduction answer. If you're mentioning your skills, if you're mentioning your hobbies, if you're mentioning your interest, the interviewer will going to ask you next question based on that only. In your introduction answer only, guys, you need to specify this thing, why you are applying for this job. Okay, so you need to relate your skill set with the job description of the company. For that, you need to do basic research about the company, okay, if in which technologies the company is dealing, and accordingly you can frame your answer. The interviewer should have an impression, yes, the candidate is interested to do work with our company, okay, and the skill set that the candidate is having is going to be beneficial for our company. Okay, so you have to be very careful while preparing your answer. Your introduction answer will decide about the remaining interview, how it goes on, and in which direction your interview will go. Okay, so please mention all the relevant things that you're really strong at in your introduction answer, so that it looks impressive also, and the interviewer will going to ask you next question accordingly, and you'll be able to answer that perfectly, because you are having that knowledge with you, right? Here is a simple answer for all of you. Hi, I am Rahul Sharma. I am a hardworking engineer specialized in computer science engineering from SCSIT College, Indore, with 7.5 CGPA. Along with my degree, I completed certificate course in machine learning, and I learned C and C++ programming languages, and I majorly do programming in Python. I have done my project also in Python language. You can brief about your project here. I have basic knowledge of data structure. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company like yours, and to improve my skills and learn new things. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. So guys, like this way you can frame your own answer, mentioning your own skill set, your own projects, and giving a briefing about your project. But you have to be very careful. You should have all the knowledge whatever you're mentioning in your project. Accordingly, the interviewer will going to ask you next question. All the best, guys, for all your coming interviews, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for all such updates from my side on regular basis. Thank you. Bye bye.